We now hear many government agencies and even LGU say,
Ngayong araw, nais naming i-highlight ang Transparency Portal.
and this month, DICT proudly launched AI-powered transparency portals for PhilHealth and SSS. PhilHealth's transparency site greets you with a big promise. Access PhilHealth data with complete transparency. You get dashboards, charts, and a library of annual reports from 2003 to 2024. If you are a casual viewer, it looks impressive. But look closely, and what are we left with? Glorified annual reports. Static PDFs turned into colorful dashboards. The same information na kailangan naman talagang ilabas ng gobyerno.
I am a bit disappointed about this because it doesn't really tell you a lot how they got to these numbers. But you can see them if you open some kind of their annual reports, the PDFs, because I think that's where they got this data.
Now, go back to these portals. Can you click on the PhilHealth spending total and see which hospitals got paid for what cases at what date range? Can you cross-match SSS investment income with a list of actual placements, counterparties, and fees? Most likely hindi po. What you get is a summary, a high-level chart, a PDF, a finished after-the-fact documents. Trust the source daw eh. Pag gusto mong sundan ang bawat pisong contribution mo, mababangga ka sa pader. Walang line-by-line, walang malinaw na trail, walang public API na pwedeng i-audit ng actuaries, civil society o ng media. That is not transparency, mga kapatid. That is a PowerPoint deck living on a government server. And what about the AI?
I mean, the AI here is probably fed by the same data that you have in here, together with whatever content they have on the website. For me, it's just an accessory.
DICT promised that AI will help us figure out how something was bought and make it easy for citizens to understand government spending. But AI is only as transparent as the data it sees. If all you feed it are the PDFs, the annual reports, and pre-cleaned statistics, then all it can do is restate the same static information. Same lang kasi yun lang ang alam ng AI. Wala siyang ibang pwedeng maging source ng data, kundi yung mga finid na mga files, documents, and reports na dati nang gawa. AI without granular, timely, verifiable data is not transparency. It is a narration. Alam ko naman na phase 1 lang or ilang weeks pa lang ito, sabi nga nila. And that is the deeper problem. We are presenting a template na possible maging standard ng ibang ahensya. Pero mali ang standard. Optics over truth ba? Para itong hospital na naglalagay ng fancy digital signage. Pero ayaw naman maglabas ng breakdown ng professional fees, lab charges, at mga coverage. May display, pero walang accountability. Remember, we are talking about institutions that handle hundreds of billions of pesos of assets and reserves. Money that comes directly from workers' salaries and employers' contributions. Sa ganitong laki ng pondo, acceptable ba na ang transparency natin ay hanggang dashboards and pretty charts lang? Ito ba ang deserve natin? If we are serious about transparency for SSS and PhilHealth, the bar must be higher.